So I turned my image into a statue. It probably doesn't look like me, but here we go. I used Adobe Firefly. To get here, just type firefly.adobe.com and then scroll till you find text to image. Click on it and then just type in whatever an idea you would want to generate here, just so you can open up a page that you can sign up. This is if you're not already signed in. Tap on generate when you're done. You can sign in with your Google or an email address. Once you're signed in, you'll see the image of the text you just generated. Bear in mind that you have just 25 units or credits to play with per month. Adobe was quite stingy with that one. Now, to turn your image into a statue like I did, just come to reference, tap on this, open it up and import an image with which you want to turn into, an image you want to turn into a statue, right? Yeah, so I'm just going to bring in this image and continue. Now, scroll down a bit till you find this visual intensity. This means how intense you want to maintain the characteristics on your picture. So increase it to the highest and then also increase the strength, which means how strongly you really want the generated image to look like the original image. So increase it to the highest as well. Then you can change the ratio if you want. If you want landscape, portrait, square, widescreen, I'm just going to leave it as square. And then after that, just tap on generate. There we have it. We have some generated images. It's not bad. I mean, if I know that if I keep doing it, I can get something very, very close. I don't know, but some of them are not that bad. Once you settle on the one you like, just upscale it. This increases the quality of the picture. And then tap on this icon to download it to your phone. Now here's another way to do it. This is a woman I just generated using Firefly as well. I've already upscaled it. Another way to do it is to hover around the picture you have, tap on the pen icon, and then you will see use as style reference. Instead of importing an image, once you have it there, you can just do that. And then you can change your prompt. I forgot to change prompts in the first one, but that's something you can also do to help the image generation. So I'm just going to change the prompt and I will tap on generate. Now this has turned that beautiful woman into stone statues. Not bad. You can use this to generate a couple of pictures, turn your friends' photos into statues, just have fun with it. I just had fun with this and I thought to share. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.